discussion and decision making to get a vision going for the big day. Here at Inventive Events, we have just the software you need to get you jump-started with a preliminary timeline and wedding strategy, and it's all the rage from those like you getting married. After you answer a handful of questions, most as easy as yes or no, you don't have to pay until you're ready to receive your custom reports. Once you submit the questionnaire and remit payment, our software will generate a personalized timeline and wedding strategy in less than 24 hours that is tailored by you and for you with the help of our trusted wedding planning experience. Take the guessing game out of planning your wedding and let us support you in this amazing journey. So gather your fiancé, friends, and family and grab that tablet or phone with internet access and let's get this ball rolling for you. It's a series of about 100 questions, which gives you 100+ ways to add those personal touches to your special day. You can answer all at once before you start searching for your perfect venue, or complete it piece by piece and use it as a way to double check yourself as you get closer to the big event. You can complete it anytime, anywhere, in a matter of minutes. The questions go through each topic, such as some venue preferences, catering and bar needs, and even covers things like transportation and linens. It's easy, it's convenient, and it's intuitive. The documents you will receive will cover a detailed timeline that will showcase things like your vendor arrivals, as well as other important segments you've answered in our questionnaire. In addition, you'll receive a detailed plan which outlines the vendor categories, recommended scopes of services, and even starts tracking a decor checklist and schedule of deadlines based on your desired event date. This all which gets you started on the right path to a successful event. Now you can see why all of our clients are truly enjoying their engagement, and with our support, which will save you time and money, you can relax and get back to those date nights.